Okay, everybody. So today's going to be one of those killer episodes. We're going to fix a headlight in less than a minute. You think I can do it in less than a minute, Popsy?
Well, if you were quicker, you could do it shorter.
If I could do it quicker, I don't even know what he just meant by that. I think I'm failing at life right now. Anyway, long story short, channel's here to educate and in this particular case, probably more entertain. And we're going to see how fast this can be done. As you see the damage inside the light there, that's really our key spot. This is a what year?
2010.
2010 Highlander, and they got those real clear lens covers, so we want to see it. Product we're going to be using is Mother's PowerPlastics. Anyway, I will get you a good view of that. I've got plenty of videos on this, but I've never tried to do it in 60 seconds. Alright, hang on. That would have been a little crazy because the cord is actually underneath the camera, which means I would have jerked the camera off as soon as...
Yeah, you'd have been gone in 60 seconds.
I'd have been gone in 60 seconds. Alright. So when does the clock actually start? I gotta actually...
I'll let you squirt the stuff on.
Alright, hold on a second here. This is where it's at. Okay, you got your watch out?
No.
Okay, we are recording, right?
Yes, we are.
This is recording? Yes, we are recording. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to be using a DeWalt with a our little fuzzy wool cover. Okay, tell me when.
On your mark, get set, go.
But I can't go fast or I'll burn it.
That's right.
How much time have I got left? Oh man, there's another piece right here I didn't see. Here we go. How are we going on time?
Too late.
How much time?
Did you get the corner?
Yeah, I got the corner.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? Uh-huh.
Oh, when this one little spot doesn't count. No, that don't count.
Okay. If that didn't count, you made it.
Okay. So there you go, folks. If we use the Carman's math, we did it under 60 seconds. How's it look?
Shiny and new.
Okay, cool. I've already done videos on this Mother's because I love it.
Are you going to tell them how much it costs?
About $8.
That's not bad.
Yeah. There'll be a link on the channel. Just come sign up and get it. But I mean, dang man, that's fast.
Yep. And the effort.
The effort is zero.
Yeah.
And you can do this stuff by hand too.
Yeah.
Let me
It'll take you half the time if you did it by hand, right?
Yeah, how many times have you done those with the little wheel and stuff?
Oh, yeah.
It takes
several. It'll take you a while.
It takes a little while to do it. I mean, it'll come out, but it just takes time.
Yeah.
So here we go, guys. This less than 60 seconds, guys. You seen it right here. Okay, Carman math, less than 60 seconds. Are you calling it less than 60 seconds or no?
I'll give you a minute and a half.
He's giving me a minute and a half, which means in his math, I did it in 45 seconds. All right. Meanwhile, nothing but love from the RVA. See ya.